It's finally happening. We're finally like getting the Z back on the road after a whole year. So that means we've got so many activities that we can do. We can just go driving. I want to go on a full road trip with, I want to go on a full road trip with this car. Not really. I just want to go drive. I want to go drive this car again, man. It's been so long. So you know how the car has been off the road for like probably almost a year now. The car that I'm talking about, you guys already know, the Z is, it's been off the road for a while. Good news. Well, some good-ish news. So I have booked the car in for a place in the workshop so they can like diagnose it and just get it fixed, right? So the state or the condition that the Z is in right now, it's pretty much like a store, like a hold-up storing place. So I need to put the front bumper back on. I don't think I'll put the side skirts back on. I'm not sure if I should raise the car or not. Not sure. The lazy side of me says just leave it. The mature side, I guess, of me says raise it up just so it's easier to get on the tow truck, or like, yeah, they don't have to like be careful of it. But honestly, it's fine. It is what it is. Let's get this bad boy clean. Ready to go onto the tow truck and head into the workshop. Alright my guys, yes, my voice, I am sick, but it's the day that the Z gets towed to the workshop. The Z currently is on the back of the tow truck right now. Look at it in all its glory. Wow. It's the first time I've seen it on a tow truck. I want to try and get rollers, but it's kind of a sad time to get rollers. But it looks good. I haven't seen this car on like in the sunlight in a while. I don't know how much it's going to cost for it to run, but hey, it is what it is. I just want to get this running, my guy. I just want to get running. Alright, so today we are starting with something that can go really, really, really bad or really, really good. It involves glass, windows. The window that I am talking about is this rear quarter window. I don't know how this happened, no idea, but it's full like internally smashed. Like there's no smash, there's no like indent from someone trying to hit it, but yeah, like it's just internally just shattered. I have no idea how or why, but this is terrifying, but also it looks pretty cool. That needs to be done. It needs to be repaired before it fully smashes and there's glass everywhere and it turns into a whole nother thing. Let's see what we have to do to get this off. Oh yeah, the Z is also back. Yeah, I need to tell you guys about this because it ain't pretty. It ain't pretty. Just take off the door card and just see where that leads us, eh? This is all an experiment. That's loose. That's loose. What else is holding this back? Now, if you guys have been watching my videos for a while, you know how I take off trim pieces, and it's by usually like screwdrivers and stuff, right? But hey, we have leveled up. We've got trim, like plastic trim tools now. We have leveled up. The glow up is real. Woo, look at that. Things are so much easier with the right tools. Oh, look at that. That's out. Okay, so we have to start taking off these window sill thingies. We'll probably start on this outside one and be very gentle with this. Look at me start right in the center. Look at that. I should really be working with gloves, shouldn't I? It's alright. We'll get there. Okay, so outside trim is off. There's this bit here, that's one piece. There's this center bit here that is bolted on. So that wriggles. Oh, bruh. No way. It was that easy. Wait, what? Oh. It was that easy, bro. I made that way too hard. I made that way too hard. This window regulator is done, like it's not working. So, and it's up, right? So what I had to do is I had to disconnect the regulator to the window. And that's something new I found out. I had no idea how to do it. So this was already snapped, but it was just like in place. So it's not like a dowel that goes into the window like on the Z. It's just held in like a cradle, and then it's just clipped in and it aligns. This wasn't even part of the job. I don't even have a new window regulator to like replace this with. Far out, man. Okay, let's put the window regulator down. It's not even what we were intentionally going to do. Okay. Trying to put this all the way down, just so I can access this. This is what we're supposed to do. This just happened to be not working. Let's get onto the job, like what we actually came here for. Just trust the process. I'm not even trusting the process right now. Oh, this is gonna be bad. Oh, this is going to be bad. Oh no. Oh, this is going to be bad, bro. I just tried taking off this piece here. Look at that, just separated. This is going to be bad. Okay, I need to think of how I am going to do this. It looks really satisfying, like a shattered window. I don't know how. Why? Okay, I'm gonna have to do it. Bro, I'm so scared. This is the best I could do. Damn, bro. Sheesh. That was less dramatic than I thought it would be. But I'm actually happy. Look at that. Professional window removal. There's a screw on the inside here. Bro, really? Wow, that makes so much sense. All the glass is all cleaned up and stuff. Now we got the new rear quarter window. We have done it. We have done it. Look at that. Hi. Bro, we have a new rear quarter window. Oh, what a job. I learned so much in that job. Far out. I just need to put like basically everything back together, and then we can move on to something that I really want to install. I really want to install. It's gonna look so good. Okay, I'm just gonna smash this out, put everything back together, and then I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, let's go.